Friends, yesterday there was a breakup in Congress party in Madhya Pradesh where 22 MLAs of Scindia Group have resigned, and Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia has joined BJP today. So it's a very much challenging job for BJP to topple the government of Nath. Out of 22 MLAs who resigned, now Congress party is in minority and it's only just 99 MLAs, and BJP is having 107. The same repetition which was in Karnataka 8 months back. Now it's same condition has been repeated by the BJP with his money power, purchasing every MLA and trying to topple the Kamal Nath government. Kamal Nath says that his government is in majority and they will face the floor test, and in budget session which will be started from 16th March 2020. So there is a strong competition between them, both in BJP and Congress, how to gain power. Now both the parties are trying to break other parties' MLA. Even Congress party is also claiming that they are in contact with the BJP's disgruntled MLAs and they will support them. So there will be a strong fight at floor test. Madhav Rao Scindia, the father of Jyotiraditya Scindia, a very loyalist of Congress, but Jyotiraditya Scindia, when he thinks that he is neglecting by the Congress High Command for the last 1.5 years, and after loss of in MP in his Guna seat, so he is very much sidelined by the MP Congress High Command. So he was facing very much suffocation in BJP. So he broke the Congress with 22 MLAs, his group. They are camping in Bangalore. So there would be a big politics in MP for making the government. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share my video and press the bell icon. Thank you.